So for this video, I am going to be drawing Trunks foreshortened, and for this particular one, I chose him with his hands out, and for this, I chose to start with his hands first, but with boxes, kind of like a slant boxes, and I put circles where the fingers are, and that's a way for me to kind of show where his fingers are going to go. And you can see even in the picture, that roundness on the finger in the palm that I drew, it's kind of a way to place the fingers and show the finger placement. And usually I'll do the typical, 3 cylinders, and then I kind of end it with that roundness on the tip of the finger. And for the thumb, since it's the largest part, I kind of just round out all the big shapes, working my way into the palm of the hand, repeating it for the second one. And since it's kind of an easy hand to do, as far as both hands are almost identical, you're kind of just mirroring what's on one side on the other. Trying to get in most of it, whatever I can fit into the camera. And I chose to start with the hands first before the head, since the hands are kind of like the biggest part, and I'm working my way back towards the head. That way it's kind of an easy way for me to just put the head in. I didn't want to put the head in and then draw the hands around it and just kind of make it a little bit of a clutter. And right now I'm adding in the body, even though it's not showing the picture, but I kind of like to fill in and add the rest of it, just that way I can easily place everything else. And for the arms, you see that the arms, since it's foreshortened, you can't really see it. That's why it's showing the roundness. And since your eyes can't see around the hand, you're kind of just showing a piece of the forearm and a piece of the shoulder in the back. I'm kind of just adding in the little chest area, and darkening some of the lines out. And normally when you're working with the final piece, you can easily just add in the clothing, drop in the hair, the eyes. And for the eyes, I always add in that little silhouette for the head to show where the eyes are going to be placed. And I'm just cleaning up some of the lines. I didn't want the lines to be too cluttered. And that's it for this pose. Right now I'm just adding in some final touches. That's it for this video.